Hi, I'm Laura from Delphi, and today we are going to look at how to check the spray pattern from a common rail injector. First, let's understand what we mean by a spray pattern. Modern pistons inside a diesel engine will have carefully machined bowls which allow the air and fuel to mix in an optimum way. Each spray hole on the injector often targets these bowls at a precise angle. Most common rail injectors will have a number of holes in the nozzle, around 5 to 7, it's quite common. These holes are normally rifled, which spins the fuel as it exits. If you look from above, the holes are normally spaced out evenly, but it's always best to check as that's not always the case. Where they can differ is the spacing vertically. Here's what I mean. If the injector is placed in the engine vertically, usually the injector spray is even. However, on many engines, the injector is placed in at an angle, so the spray pattern needs to be changed to accommodate this. It's time to do a quick check on the spray pattern for this common rail injector. A word of caution, even at idle, the fuel pressure on a common rail diesel is around 300 bar. That's 100 times the pressure in your car tyres. Don't be tempted to test the injector spray in anything other than a dedicated tester. Place the injector in the machine, set the injector type and set the pressure. So we can see the spray easier, we are using a setting of 600 bar and an injection pulse width of 1000 microseconds. That means the injector is only open for 0.001 seconds. We can see that there is an even spray from each of the nozzle holes horizontally and that vertically there is an offset. This means that this injector is fitted at an angle in the engine. Be sure not to misdiagnose this as a faulty injector. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, then be sure to follow us on social media or visit the Masters of Motion online hub. And for more expert-led courses, then why not check out the Delphi Academy? See you next time.